So I will just show you the balance maintenance. We have to clean under the machine, all around in the output side, and also the wire feeding system has to be cleaned. So let's start, let's do it. So let's clean under the machine. This has to be done daily, okay? So this machine is quite clean. You can have a huge volume of work, but this machine is quite clean. So clean all around. Here you have the latches, so you can clean all around. Cleaning under the twisting here. Yeah, it's clean. Well, it's quite clean, but also have to clean up so all the waste is not flying away. So you have to make sure also that this area is clean. So here it's quite clean. There's no pallets around to make sure the feeder is working well. Quite regularly, depending on the volume that is being compacted by the client. Press plate has been moved forward, so that we open the door and we clean at the rear side of the press plate. By the way, that is not allowed in the machine because it's wood. I must say also that the plant is secure because we have a switch, so the machine will not start, as we have checked the safety before.